Let's go, you guys.
Like Elvis came out 2,500 big numbers. I wish y'all the best of luck. Take it home. Let's do it, everyone. Good luck. First good number for Lightning.
Come on, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody got that one.
One.
Oh, no. Look.
Who's our last 150?
Damn it. Do not do it in 3 numbers.
20, 20.
Do not do it in 4 numbers. Look, Dale probably got it. you got the one?
33.
You got the bingo.
Bingo.
Hey, did you have 20, 55? Did you have 20, 55? Oh, I was at the 20, 55 one. It was 20, 55. Oh, I thought this one you had.
That's a good one. We have the others.
I just want to say, who's going to call it the 4 numbers? KP had it, you guys.
2 hour winner.
Me too.
All right. Y'all see this? It's a whole lot of bread. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 25. Come your way. Appreciate you. Thank you. Woo! Thank you, Bradley. Yes.
Let's go, guys. We got dab it. We got 2 dab it. Okay, so these are our numbers. Let's see if they call our number first. Okay.
All right, dab it. 1, 2, 3. The way this game works, first number out wins 500. Then we're looking for a 2 number dab. Then we're looking for all 3 numbers. Good luck, everybody, on your dab it.
Come on, everybody. Let's go. We have it.
All right, good luck, everybody. Your dab it. 1, 2, 3. First number out is 37. You have 37 right there in front.
Spare change and bring the card.
All right. 49, 17, 44, 14, 2, 65, 70, 29, 33, 8, 62, 22,
Come on, 74.
38,
74.
74,
Okay,
12,
59.
10, 27,
59.
57, 34, 1,
59.
54, 21, 3, 56, 11, 39, 7, 47, 45, 20, 55, 69, 15,
Come on, 59.
48,
59.
59, where's 14? 59 last number. Come on, raise it up.
Somebody better raise it up. Oh. I got the whole ball. Joe.
Oh, right here. Should be 2 holds. All right.
59. Another 500.
All right, this is our horse, 14. Good.
So I looked at my
737. 42, 42. 61, 61. 58, 58. 65, 65, 13, 31, 31, 44.
Bingo.
Bingo on 44.
I was waiting for six numbers. It's on 20. I was waiting for 6 calls.
We're going to do 13.
4, 5.
1, number 1.
Oh, do we honor that one too?
52, 52. 11, 1, 74, 74. 18, 1, 8.
6.
51, 5, 1. 73, 73. 7, number 7. 41, 4, 1. 63, 63.
Oh, do we honor that one?
28, 2, 8. 66. Bingo on 66.
Yeah, what? No. Right? No, well. Oh, well.
Where's the hole?
Who's got the holes in staging?
I do.
Of course you
Oh my goodness.
15. 1, 5.
What got going on over there?
28. 2, 8.
Can it come my birthday?
50. 50. 22. 22. 44.
Bingo.
Bingo on 44.
I saw it. What side is it on? Green is the. Woo!
Last year, last year.
Yeah, she's classy. She's sassy. She's sassy. Right. At this point, KP got it, you guys, for $11.99. Add that to our total. KP got. I saw